Hey, it's Eric once again with an offer that you don't want to miss because it is potentially the most valuable of them all. I'm going to keep this very short and to the point. This is your one opportunity to grab a reseller license for VidPal Ai. By the way, we're limiting this to 250 licenses, so if you're seeing this video, it's not too late, but the doors will be closing anytime now. So right there, I know some of you are already clicking the order button. Here's why this reseller opportunity is even better than the reseller licenses that you may have seen in the past. First, this license allows you to sell VidPal Ai and keep 100% of the profits. Instead of just a typical product, this is a full suite of high-value AI video tools. It's a truly helpful and compelling application, which is why you've just invested in it. With this license, you can turn around and sell it to others, and you keep the money. We're not charging you any commissions or royalties. When we activate your reseller account today, you'll be able to set up customer accounts from within your own VidPal Ai dashboard. Now, what really sets this apart from other opportunities is that you don't have to install or host any software. You're selling memberships to our VidPal Ai platform, so it's already set up for you. You don't have to worry about the server or the technical side of running a software as a service. We handle all of that. And that's huge because there is a massive amount of resources that go into hosting a cloud-based application like this one. You know, we're hosting and managing thousands of assets and customer accounts, which takes a lot of server power. Furthermore, we'll even support your customers, which I think is a little crazy, but my partners said, yep, we want to go ahead and support them. So there you go. That alone is a crazy valuable component of this reseller license because it makes this a truly passive income opportunity for you. You sell it and then we support it. So in a nutshell, this is your chance to sell an in-demand suite of AI video software with done-for-you tech setup and product delivery built in and customer support included. All you have to do is basically collect your 100% of the profits and spend it however you want. And you can do this without any technical skills or coding skills, with no crazy startup investment, no dealing with developers, no need to hire support staff. Just grab this reseller license and start selling VidPal Ai and keep 100% of the profits. Again, we are limiting this to 250 licenses, so don't wait, grab yours now. Again, we're not taking any royalties, even if you sell this to thousands of customers and make millions of dollars. We would love to see that. So long as you grab your reseller license during this special one-time offer for our new customers, you'll be getting it for a one-time investment with no more payments due to us. That means that you can potentially make your investment back with just one sale. I mean, that's an easy potential return on investment. So go ahead and click the order button now to grab your reseller license. This is an entire done-for-you sales funnel. We've already done all the work of setting it up. We developed the application. We're hosting it. We're maintaining it. We created all the sales copy, the sales pages, the graphics. We have a support system in place to support your customers. And you get to leverage all of that by grabbing this license for a small one-time fee today. Once again, we're only selling 250 of these licenses, so grab yours now before it's too late. You've seen how hot the AI trend is. You know it's going to last for years to come because AI is here to stay. There are millions of entrepreneurs and businesses out there that need this, and you can be the one to sell it to them. So if you'd like to add a passive income stream to your business, this is your chance. Please click the order button now and start cashing in with this incredible opportunity.